Earbuds have come so far in such a short amount of time. Back when they were wired to your iPod or Sony Discman or whatever, you ended up trading off quite a bit to look, 10 to 20% cooler. Thankfully, the march of progress has made modern earbuds wireless and a great alternative to over-the-ear headphones. These are our picks for the best earbuds out there right now, from the budget to the best. The absolute best entry into the world of wireless earbuds has to be the second gen Apple AirPods. If you're looking for a great sounding pair of earbuds for less than $100, this is exactly where you should be putting your money. Sure, they have a $129 MSRP, but come on, that's a sucker's price. They're almost always on sale and have gone as low as $69 a pair. If you have an iPhone, pairing them is as easy as just holding the case close to your phone and opening it up. They rest nicely inside your ear with just a little bit of weightiness that makes them feel secure and snug without feeling uncomfortable. Sound quality is surprisingly good for such a low-cost pair of earbuds, and Apple has all kinds of Siri integration in them too, like reading your text out loud to you in the middle of a good song. They don't have any sort of noise cancellation, but for the price, who even cares? Plus, when you wear them out in public, people will know how cool you are on account of their absolutely iconic and often ripped off design. The Razer Hammerhead True Wireless Gen 2 earbuds are a great choice for gamers, with a visual nod to the inclusion of Razer Chroma RGB. This allows users to personalize their gaming earbuds with 16.8 million colors and various effects. With an omnidirectional microphone pickup pattern, Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and a 64 decibel signal-to-noise ratio, active noise canceling further enhances the user experience. For gamers, the 60 millisecond low latency gaming mode is a game changer, pun intended, obviously. Activating this mode optimizes the earbud's performance, providing a seamless and lag-free gaming experience on Bluetooth devices. For a perfectly balanced, expressive audio experience in a comfortable and sturdy pair of earbuds, you cannot go wrong with the Jabra Elite 5. They pair up with two devices using Bluetooth multipoint, and once connected, Jabra's Sound Plus app lets you play around with EQ settings and active noise cancellation sound modes. That hybrid noise cancellation does a decent job of drowning out an airplane's engine or muffling voices at a coffee shop, though it does struggle with high-pitched sounds, which, I guess is fine if you boil water for tea in a kettle and you don't want to miss when it's ready. So that's nice. While you enjoy a pleasant listening experience similar to some of the best headphones, others will appreciate the 6 microphones. Yeah, 6 microphones that make your voice super clear on calls, even on windy days. Answering those calls is simple thanks to the button control on each earbud, which also gives you access to playback in Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, along with some other functions that can be assigned using the app. And you won't need to worry about breaking a sweat or getting stuck in the rain thanks to the earbud's IP55 dust and water resistance. Sony's feature-full WF-1000XM5 earbuds may just be worth the splurge. They deliver rich and well-balanced audio in a lightweight, compact form factor. Spatial audio and head tracking allow the earbuds to automatically adjust what you're listening to for a more realistic, immersive sound experience. Bluetooth 5.3 provides a strong link between the headphones and your phone, or, whatever other devices you pair them with. They also come with multi-point connectivity, but the standout feature is the AI-driven ANC. They do a great job of eliminating sounds like the drone of an airplane's interior or the unwelcome but necessary sounds of a leaf blower right outside your window. And if you want to take a phone call, there's even a special voice pickup technology that uses AI to detect a user's voice, so you come across clearly during calls, dampening sound in noisier environments. Those are our picks for earbuds from budget to best. Reminder, I went ahead and dropped the links in the description if you want to pick up a pair for yourself. For more tech recommendations, be sure to check out our budget to best guide on the best battery banks. And for everything else, keep it right here on IGN.